Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at the Minolta Dimage XT. Alright, so I originally found this camera and the battery, this is the original battery right here, Minolta original battery, and I put it in. It started to bulge, so I don't think it's good anymore. So we're going to look at this Schecter brand of batteries now. And I ordered it. It comes with this charger, very neat. And then you can charge the batteries here. It comes with 2 batteries. This is what they look like. Got the Schecter logo on it. So if you got an old Minolta Dimage camera, it'll be worth it. So it comes with 2 of these guys, right? And yeah, let's try it out. Let's take a look. So the battery compartment's right here. I'm gonna open it up, and then we're gonna put the battery in here. Okay, just gonna match up positive and negative there. So already tried it out, so I know that's how it goes. Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see if. Okay, it's charging up. There you go. You see the little lights going, and there you go. It says set time and date. We're not gonna do that. There's no battery, but as you can see, it's working properly. If you like these old vintage cameras and you still want to use them and try them out, it's worth checking out. Schecter batteries from Minolta Dimage brand. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.